I wrote this song for my cat Sonny in less than a minute, and it was so quick and easy. All I did was give Suno details about my cat and the style of music I wanted, and it wrote this entire song in less than a minute. And I'm going to show you how I did it in this video. All right, so here I am at Suno.com, and just to let you know, in order to create a song, you'll need to sign up for an account. They have a number of plans available, including a free basic plan and a pro plan or a premier plan. And with each plan, you get credits that you can use. You'll get 50 credits that renew daily, so you can create about 10 songs. For $10 a month, you can create about 500 songs. And then, of course, with the Premiere, you can create 2,000 songs. So it's up to you if you want to sign up for a plan or not. But as I said, you can create a song for free using the basic plan. All right, so let's get started. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to decide on the song you want to write. So on the home screen here, you can check out songs that other people created to inspire you if you're not sure what you want to create. Also, if you're having trouble deciding on what type of song, you can also ask ChatGPT for ideas. And so that's what I did here. I asked ChatGPT and it gave me different ideas for just basic songs. If you want something more personalized, you can provide ChatGPT with more details about yourself or what type of song you might want to create, and it can give you more specific ideas. Another thing you can do is you can create songs for your business. So if you have a podcast or video that you want to have intro music for, you can use Suno to help you create music for that. It also gave me ideas for motivational tracks, for webinars, brand theme music, promotional video music. And again, these are just very basic ideas. If you provide ChatGPT with more specific information about your business, it can give you more personalized ideas. All right, so let's go back to Suno to create our song. And so what we want to do here is we want to go to Create. And if you notice on the right side here, these are songs that I've written. These are all different variations of the Sonny song that I wrote. This one was actually the first one. These two are the first one I wrote, and this one's actually my favorite one. So let's talk about creating a song. Now here's the very basic screen. If you just have very basic information, you're not sure what you want to create, you can just type in information here about the song and then click on Create. If you want to have more control over the process, you can come up here to Custom, and you can turn this on. And then in this section, you can enter your own lyrics here, or you can just tell Suno about the song you want to create, and it will generate lyrics for you. You can put in the style of music here. They also have suggestions down here if you're not sure what type of music you want to create. And then you can also enter your own title for your song. All right, so I just put in a description in here to create a song for my cat Sonny. I asked it to create a playful and heartwarming song about my cat Sonny. He is a white and black cat that is full of energy. He loves playing with his toys and chasing his brother JJ. And so just so you know who the song's about, this is my cat Sonny right here. So now that I have the information here, I can click on Generate Lyrics. And while it's doing that, I'm going to paste in here the style of music. And actually, I'm going to change this up a little bit. I'm going to make it country because all of the other songs I've made pop, hip hop, dance, and upbeat. So I'm going to make it country, hip hop, dance. I don't know if we could mix death metal in, that would be funny. But anyhow, you can just pick any type of style of music that you want. Just for fun, let's put some rap in here. So this is going to be a country, hip hop, dance, rap song. And they call it Hey Sonny. This is the title they recommended. So I'm just going to leave it at that so it can be different from the other songs I created. And as you see, here are the lyrics it created. So what you can do here is if you want to change the lyrics, you can do that if you don't like them. If you notice, it has verses and a chorus and another chorus. And so this is basically the song. And you can read over it, change anything you want. If you want to change it, I suggest you change it now before you generate the song. All right, so once you're happy with the lyrics and your style of music and your title, you want to click on Create here. And what it's going to do is it's going to generate 2 songs for you. So let's listen and see what we got.
Little Sonny, full of might, white and black in the morning light, playing with toys, having fun. Sonny is always on the run. Full of life from day to night. Always makes the world feel right.
So what do you think of that first song? That wasn't too bad. So let's listen to the second song to see what we have.
Little Sonny full of might, riding black in motor light, playing with toys, having fun. Sonny's always on the run, full of life from day to night. Always makes the world feel right. Every step, he's always there. Sonny's energy fills the air.
Alright, so what do you think of that song? Did you like that one better than the first one, or do you like this one better? I still actually like the first song that it created for me. And I'm actually going to put links to all of the songs below so you can listen to them all in full and let me know which one you like best. So if you want to share the song, what you can do is you can click on this little link here, copy song link. You can click it, it copies the link to your clipboard, and then you can share it. Another thing you can do is click on these three dots here, and this is also where you can share by getting the link. You can also download the MP3 audio, the WAV audio, or the video. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, you can leave them in the comment section below.